Hi friends, welcome to our channel Power of Physical Education. Today I am here to introduce myself in front of you. It's my new YouTube channel and I am new at YouTube. It's my first video. Hope you support me and like, subscribe and share it. Okay friends, let's see some MCQs related to physical education. First question is exercises needed to develop flexibility is free hand exercise, load training, bending exercise, muscle stretching exercise. The answer is muscle stretching exercise. First we have to do muscle stretching exercise before going to participate in any game competitions like running, gymnastics, high jumps, etc. Next question. The total time limit in Coco is 45 minutes, 49 minutes, 55 minutes, 59 minutes. The answer is 55 minutes. Next. Deficiency of which vitamin causes rickets disease? Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B. The answer is vitamin D. So friends, the main source of the vitamin D is sunlight, fatty exercise, eggs, and liver. The deficiency of vitamin D leads to cause rickets. Let's see this peak friends. The normal legs is like this. So when deficiency of vitamin D leads to cause rickets. Next question. Hypoglycemia is a condition in which the body has a low level of oxygen, glucose, body fluid, cholesterol. The answer is glucose. Here, the deficiency of glucose in the bloodstream leads to cause hypoglycemia. Next question. The internal organ where alcohol is absorbed into the capillaries lining is liver, spleen, small intestine, stomach. The answer is liver. The liver is the primary organ responsible for the detoxification of alcohol. Here, alcohol is metabolized by the liver where enzymes break down the alcohol. Next question. Mitochondria plays an important role in cell respiration and metabolic functions, production of energy, elimination of carbon dioxide, neurotransmission. The answer is production of energy. Here, the mitochondria plays an important role in cell respiration and production of energy in the form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Next question. Joint in nervous system is called synapse, myelin fiber, axon, impulse. The answer is synapse. Here synapse means axons and transmitters to be released at junctions called synapse. Synapses are also called as neuronal junction. Next question. Vital capacity or lung capacity is the amount of air involved in deepest inhalation, ventilation, complete expiration, and pranayama. The answer is complete expiration. Here, vital capacity is the maximum amount of air a person can expel from the lungs after a maximum inhalation. Next question. The association which controls track and field activities in India is IOA, GFI, AAFI, IOC. The answer is AAFI. Here, AAFI stands for Amateur Athletic Federation of India. It is responsible for conducting game competitions in our country. Next, the last question is the main source of vitamin C is egg, orange, milk, banana. The answer is orange. So vitamin C is required for the functioning of immune system and it also functions as several enzymes. It also functions as an antioxidant. The main source of the vitamin C is any citrus fruits like lemon, oranges, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, etc. So deficiency of vitamin C leads to cause Scurvy disease. So thank you friends for watching my channel.